So today in this video you are going to be watching Darjeeling Marathon, which was held on 3rd December 2021. Secondly, you're also going to be watching back-to-back concert of two bands. And last but not the least, you're also going to be seeing me being a food critic. This is like sponsor. Obviously, fake one. So do enjoy the video, guys. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, today we have come over to Darjeeling. So I'm over here with my friends. So they are walking behind, they are in front of us also. So actually we are currently going to Chaurasta. As you guys can see, there is huge traffic and here the runners. So as we all already know that today was this marathon thing, and yeah, I guess it has finished right now. And here's huge traffic over here. So actually there was huge traffic on the way, and hopefully we got over here on time. And yep, we are currently going over there as there is this event thing going on today over in Chaurasta. So I really want to film those stuff. So I hope that you all enjoyed the cinematics. So now let us talk about the Darjeeling Marathon. The only issue over here is that we were late as the roads were closed off due to the marathon. But somehow we managed to race Darjeeling. Though the marathon was over, I still managed to capture some glimpse of the marathon. After we reached Chaurasta, there were participants all over the place. Moments later, the concert had also begun. So enjoy the Parichay band.
2, 3. तिम्रो लागि फूल हैन तिम्रो लागि चुन हैन सारा संसार तिम्रै तिम्रो लागि फूल हैन दैबरी 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 सबै गाडी भानी हाजिर छ हो कि होइन हो सोल्टाहरू अलिकति आवाज आउनु पर्यो नि त हौ सोल्टिनी तिम्रो लागि ज्यानै हाजिर छ
I wanted to film the rest, but as I was hungry, yep, you guessed it right. This is the part where you're going to see me as a food critic.
What's next?
We went to Num Num and got us our first meal of the day.
Alright guys, so over here for starters we have got this some kind of berry cake, and over here pastel cheesecake. Yeah, wild berry. Okay, so over here we have got ourselves a wild berry cheesecake, and this is pastel cheesecake. Yeah, it's good. So let's have this one. This is like sponge, right? Sponge. It's like jelly type. Which one did you like? This one? Cheese pastel cake. We have got ourselves this Korean fried chicken and the corn dog, some sauce, and over here we have got ourselves mojito drink and cold coffee. Let's have, guys. This is going for Korean fried chicken. So, do you know how to use chopstick first of all?
I don't know. That's a hard question of me.
Alright, guys. So I'm going for this one.
Chopstick.
Huh?
And I'm going to know the chopstick.
What's next? Alright guys, so right now we are done with our breakfast and all. Like, I guess it's already afternoon, so we are heading out. And my hair looks terrible. We had come to this place called Nom Nom, and let me show you something here. Yes, behind the scenes of me, and you know, it's very funny. Sorry about the audio quality if you guys are, facing problem to hear.
Then after having ourselves a light breakfast, we again went back to Chaurasta, and this time Mantra Band was performing. It was an amazing experience out there listening to them. After that, we went to KFC and got our lunch.
Alright guys, so we are over here at KFC and we are just having ourselves second lunch or let's say dinner only. And dinner Siddharth. Because it's already 3, okay. And we have a new member over here.
Instagram and my name is NRT Sudarshan. Do follow me also.
And yeah, please don't follow him, okay? Okay. Follow him.
Hello.
Go down.
Hello.
नहीं डूबेगा जो जब नेपाली में बोलेगा मनोज संदेश मनोज कैसा लग रहा है कस्तो लाग्यो
मिठो लाग्छ
And also do subscribe him and give him lots of love. And
he already has lots of love. He already has lots of सृष्टि पनि बोल्दिनु त्यसरी बोल्दिनु ल
So over here guys, we have got ourselves our final lunch, chicken leg, Pepsi and everyone has happy face. So we'll see you guys after we are done eating here. Alright guys, so we are done with our second lunch I guess. So like we had 2 meals over there. So I'm walking over here with this guy. Like he's literally so tall than me. Okay, so yeah, there. So guys, मजा आयो नि?
मजा आयो हैन अरु चाहिँ के भयो भन्दा चाहिँ नि
दुधबाट केएफसी मा अर्डर दिनु पर्यो
अरु के भयो भन्दा चाहिँ पिरो भएन क्या सादा भयो क्या त्यही भएर चाहिँ
सेकेन्ड टाइम गर्दाखेरि हामीलाई मेयोनिज पनि दिएन
And but also it was good food. Good eating. खानु त मजा आउँछ पछि Hi guys, so currently the situation is that no vehicles are available to go to Sanada, so we have got one of our friends who will take us home, right? So we are going currently there and hopefully we'll get home on time. So over here we have got Shivam Senpai.
Hello everyone.
One of the famous YouTubers. आज के गर्नुभयो तपाईँ?
आज त्यही प्रोग्राम अलिअलि है त्यो कन्सर्ट अलिअलि क्याप्चर भयो त्यही हल्का अब दार्जिलिङको रमाइलो
आज त उयो मजा आयो आज माथि कन्सर्टमा
मजा आयो मन्त्र ब्यान्ड थियो है मजा आयो
It was an amazing experience meeting Shivam Senpai. After that, we reached Dali. Now, why Dali? There was Anjal, who is this guy, waiting for us. Then we hitched onto his car and he dropped us off at Sunada. So, hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure that you guys subscribe to my channel for this amazing content and also do not forget to like and share. This video was really fun to make and I also hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. So let's wrap up today's video right over here with our slogan, "Be kind, be positive, peace."